All right, so here's some directions on how to use these shape mods on Math Playground. It's pretty simple once you get started. So up here, it's going to give you directions for each level. And so let's go ahead and read that. The green shape can be transformed into the red shape using one or more transformation blocks. Your job is to figure out how. We can scroll that down. And it says click and drag transformation blocks to the areas below the coordinate grid. Select the correct values, then click the transform button. So what we want to do is get our green shape on top of the red shape. So we have to figure out, do we need to use a reflection, translation, translate over Y, or rotate around? So if I want to get this shape to here, I can see that I'm not going to rotate it, but I need to just translate or move it. So do I want to translate it to the right and left across X, or up and down across Y? So I want to move it over, so that'll be left or right, and I want to move it to the left. And you can see that we can drag this and decide how many units to the right or left we want it to go. Well, to decide a translation, you want to pick one point. So I'm going to pick this point, 5, 6, and decide how far that needs to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to translate X 5 units to the left. So once I have my block set up how I want, in order to see if I am correct, I'm going to click the transform button right here. And you get a really cool sound, and if it overlaps exactly, it'll disappear and bring you to the next level. So again, it gives you really similar, the same directions each time. So now I need to figure out how to get this green shape here. Now sometimes it takes more than one block, so I can see I'm going to want to translate to the left, but then also translate down. So I'm going to grab this, and again pick one point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to translate to the left 6 units, but then I'm going to be here. So now I need to bring this upper left corner down, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to translate Y up or down and go 3 units down. So let's see if we're right. We'll click the transform button. And it worked great. So you're going to play around with this, and it goes up to level 17. See how far you can go, and good luck.